I'm Dr. Alma Barranco, co-founder and CEO of Infogenetica Solutions Ltd, an e-commerce online community and manufacturing company of 100% natural, full-spectrum fatty acid dietary supplements and skin health products. Our unique patented product, Neuroactive Oil, is a dietary supplement and skin product that include over 14 different fatty acids and vitamins, all from natural sources, in the optimal ratio for cellular absorption and brain delivery. Was developed thanks to my husband, Dr. Derek Person's 20 years of research in fatty acids and Alzheimer's drug development, and my background in health informatics to address our son's symptoms of autism, ADHD, sensory processing disorder, and brain injury due to craniosynostosis. Thanks to Neuroactive Oil, symptoms like lack of sleep, difficulty focusing and retaining information, eczema, and skin hypersensitivity, impulse control, poor energy management, stress, joint pain, and anxiety were easily eliminated and allow our son to become an independent adult. His doctors and teachers encourage us to obtain Health Canada approval and commercialize the product, as these are common symptoms, not only for others facing similar conditions, but also as we age. We all lose fatty acids in our body, and these symptoms, in addition to cardiovascular problems, are commonly occurring in seniors with poor fatty acid intake in their diet. In addition to R&D and obtaining all the necessary health licenses, patents, and approvals for our dedicated facilities, since the beginning, our mission has been not only to develop high-quality natural products, but also customized solutions that will help our clients play an active role in the maintenance and improvement of their own health and increase their quality of life. For this purpose, we have developed an e-commerce portal where we have created online communities and discussion forums to assist families and individuals to understand and develop strategies for healthy aging and better managing complex lifestyle-altering conditions such as autism, ADHD, diabetes, and others.